Hey guys, it's me Gabriel, and today
I
I have for you an unboxing video of something that's again brand new, unlike my others, because my recent video I did an unboxing of the Birkenstocks, which was still brand new, and this is also something that's brand new and just got picked up. Well, we won it, not picked it up or bought it. So yeah, so this is the Fitbit Flex 2. I hope you guys can see 2. Let me just show you guys. So this is it, the Fitbit Flex 2. This is a 360 of the box. You can see the functions, the app, Flex 2. So this is the black band one. I guess it's just the basic one. So this one is the Flex 2. It's not the like Flex or the Flex 1. So let's start the unboxing. So this one actually it has, as you can see there, all day activity, sleep quality. That means it tracks your sleep mode. This one, it tracks your like steps, calories, and all those. Swim proof, that means waterproof, and you can like bring it in the swimming pool. And interchangeable accessories, that means you can change the band or like stick it to a pendant. I think it's here somewhere. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see, but it says bands, pendants, and clips. So I'm really excited to see how this product is. So let's go. Okay. So as you can see, this is the barcodes and stuff. So I'm just gonna, okay, there's like a cellophane tape there. Gotta have your knife and unbox it. Okay. So this is a black, oh, there's a like a pull tab. I've never like unboxed the Fitbit before, so this is okay. So we're gonna put it this way. Whoa, this is the unboxing experience that you're gonna get. So let's start with the excitement here, which is in the watch or the band. Wait, how do I take it out? Oh, okay, I just realized that there's this pull tab right here. But then how do I like take this thing out? Oh my gosh. Like I said, I've never unboxed a Fitbit before. You know what? We'll just leave it there first. We've got this oh, okay. This is weird. There's like two straps. Does that mean there's two watches? So as you can see here, this is like where your start guide and stuff are all gonna be. So opening this, it's like a really cute packaging. So we're just gonna check out what's in here. Okay, so it's like a Fitbit Flex 2 brochure. Shows you like what comes in the box. So what comes in the box is this, the charger, and the two band sizes that you could get. So this is like small or large, and then like it also just shows you like random patterns and like how to set it up. And then this is like the safety and warranty insurance, which to be honest nobody reads. A huge shout out to Fitbit for sponsoring this. No. Bloody. I can't like close this. We'll just set it aside. So as you can see here, we'll take this charger out. And I think this is the band itself. Like this thing. Yeah, it's the Mi thing. Like, it's so tiny. Okay, so I'm gonna like put it beside my Mi Band. Like, if you watch this Mi Band unboxing that I did, you like might already know that I said this was so tiny and like you're paying mainly just for this. But Mi Bands are quite like cheap because they're like 99 79 ringgit. But this is like so much smaller. Okay, I think we need a white background. But this is so much smaller and it's so much more expensive. So this is like a size comparison. As you can see, the bigger one is the Mi Band, which is cheaper, and you have your expensive small Fitbit. Then your Mi Band. So comparing it to the Fitbit Charge, I think this is called the Charge or the Charge 2. Like, this is one of their older ones that like, I think it's discontinued. As you can see, this one you can't change the straps or anything, it's just standard. But this, you can like actually take it out. So we're gonna go check out the straps now. There's this tab here. You pull it, but then the strap seems to be stuck there. Okay, there we go. So this is one of them. Similar style on how to buckle, like you've got two buckles. Like the Charge. Two buckles. So this is the small strap. And this, I think you can't actually like see how many steps or what time it is. It just shows you like, I mean, it's just a tracker, so you have to connect it to your phone in order to see like how many steps you've walked and stuff. Because like, I don't see how you could tell whether this is a number or stuff. And also inside the box, you've got this large strap. I am having trouble taking out the straps off the boxes. Oh, wow, that was easy. Okay. So this is the large. I think we need a white background desperately. So as you can see, this is the difference between, this is the small, the one that's open, and large. So let's just put it the way it was just now. So I don't know if you could tell, but oh my gosh, my autofocus is ruined. But the large, you could like tell that it's like significantly larger than the small. I don't know whether that made sense, but yeah. So you fit the tracker in here. Let me bring it. There it is, and I don't think there's any more stuff in the box. Yup, nothing else. So one thing I don't understand is how we are gonna like see the time and stuff, because that does not look like something like this, you know, like how you could just see your time, the date, your steps, how your distance that you've walked, calories burned, and how many flights of stairs you climbed. That's why I feel like that Fitbit Charge might be still better than the newer Flex, or even this cheaper Mi Band. Like, you could still have functions of a watch while it being a tracker and so compact. But this, bro, 488 ringgit for this? I don't know. You guys can post in the comments on what you think about it, whether it's worth it or not. So I guess I will be using the large band if I use it, cause I just realized that you can't actually see the time. So I guess we should try to put it in one of these bands first. See my knife? Okay, so here is how you put it in. You have to take this wrapper off. Oh my gosh, this is like an 11-minute long video. Okay, so you put it in like that. And there, it's in. I swear, my background is messing up the autofocus. You what? There we go. As you can see, like the same kind of texture on the charge strap. Like that kind of like weave. Then your dots. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my unboxing video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. And also, if you guys know about this Fitbit, post it in the comments below. I want to know what your thoughts are, whether it's like worth buying or not, because it does seem pretty overrated for it being like 400 ringgit and like being that small. I don't know. So thank you. Bye.